I just finished reading this book and I realized that making friends is not as hard as we think. When you're meeting someone for the first time and you want to make a good impression, you should smile. Action speaks louder than words, and the smile says, I like you, you make me happy, and I'm glad to see you. Don't try to fake a smile because it doesn't fool anyone, and no one likes insincere smiles. When you smile at people, genuinely smiling at people that is, you tend to invoke in them good feelings and they smile right back at you. The second way is to remember the person's name. One thing I've noticed about those popular and very likable people that everybody is so fond of is they address everyone by their name. You could just walk up to them and introduce yourself and say, hi, my name is Zainab. And then the next time you're meeting, they address you with your name, they call you. And even while talking to them that first time you're meeting, they make sure that every once in a while call you with your name. And this works for everybody. Everyone feels important when, people make efforts to recall their name. People make efforts to know their name. It makes everyone feel important. So yeah, if you want to make friends and you want people to like you, remember their names. Next thing you want to do is to become interested in that person. Don't just go to someone or start talking to someone and then the next thing you do is to yap about your own life, your achievements, your goals, your stuff. Ask that person about themselves too. Ask the person about their family. Ask about what they like to do, their hobby. People like to talk about themselves, and if they have a listening ear, they will definitely like that person. You wouldn't believe how many times I've been called a good conversationalist because I listened and I asked good questions. Get to know that person. But if you flatter people and ask questions just for the sake of asking without really caring about the other person, they will notice and they will not like it. Try to find common ground, topics that you both are interested in, so that none of you have to fake being interested in the other person's talk. The next time you meet someone you want to become friends with, remember to smile at them, ask of their name and remember it, and then become genuinely interested in getting to know them. Thanks for watching. Bye.